Hi everyone, Mike here from MTech Cars. Just about to do a first startup of the current project that we have in the workshop here, and this is the Mini Countryman Sport MTech built, and it's a lovely car actually. May have seen it on our Facebook pages in the progress stages, but we now have a point where we can start the engine up, and here's the engine. It's a 1380cc Mini A series, but modified and built by our friends at KAD. It's got a mild camshaft and a ported head, all very mild tune, single inch and 3/4 SU carburetor. Currently without the air filter fitted, but that'll be going on in a little while. And as you can see, the brake servo and a few other components are still missing in the engine bay, but it's the stage that we can start the engine up. Here's the rest of the car. I'm not too far off finishing it now. Beautiful ash framed woodwork, which has been yacht varnished, 11 coats of yacht varnish after it being stained and beforehand wood preserved. And then I can quickly show you the interior. Not finished yet, as you can see, and lacking a gear shift, wrong steering wheel, but it's all Mark 1 style, and we've got some lovely seats under there, the period bucket style micro cell seats with the rear seat trim to match, if you can see in the back there. There you go. Now there's the back section. Got the other part lifted for access to the battery at the moment. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Running. So there we have it, one running engine. That was all very straightforward, fired up straight away, and sounds great. So we can carry on with the rest of the build now, and hopefully it will be on the road within a week or so. Look out for another update in the future. Thanks for watching.